so that we have more flexibility. Now, the lowest daily benefit that can be purchased through the partnership, and this goes up every year, the minimum is $213 for a nursing facility. That's not what we recommend. We recommend to try to buy a daily benefit that matches the cost of care where you live. So $368 is ideal, $350. Some people buy $280, $300 a day. And if you move out of state, many other states have cost of care at $200, $180, so it's a lot cheaper than Connecticut. But if you plan on living in Connecticut, right now we're facing a daily benefit of $368 on average. So we recommend a higher daily benefit, and also shown here is the home care benefit. You're allowed to buy from 50% matching the nursing facility benefit to 100%. We recommend to buy home care at the same level as the nursing facility because home care can become very expensive as well. So we do not recommend $106.50, but at least $213 and higher. And these figures will be increased for inflation the following year. Okay, so I talked about automatic inflation protection. Your benefits will increase by 5% compounded every year until they double after 14 years. But remember, the reason we're doing this is because, based on experience, we're seeing that the cost of nursing homes is going up by 5% or close to it each year. So although you may have $700,000 of coverage in the future, the expectation is that the cost of care is going to be that expensive as well. So if you're at risk of losing your policy because, for example, let's say you're retired, you have a fixed income, rates can change, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But if rates are increased and the individual cannot afford the increase, then you talk with the insurance company to find ways to try to keep the premium at the same level. For example, if you have $400,000, maybe you can reduce the benefits to $300,000. This way your premium won't increase and stay at the same level that you're paying. And I mentioned earlier that producers or insurance agents have to go through a special training before they are approved to even talk about partnership policies. Now, any individual who has a partnership policy in Connecticut and receives care from a Connecticut facility, he or she is entitled to a 5% discount. So, although 5% may not sound like a lot, when an individual goes into claim, the insurance company is responsible to send what's called a Medicaid Asset Protection Report on a quarterly basis. We get copies to make sure that these reports are being sent. The quarterly report shows how much benefits have been paid, how much balance there's left to pay, and how much Medicaid asset protection the individual is receiving. We also send an initial package to talk about rights and responsibilities that the insurance company has, and also the insured. And once in a while we'll get a call, somebody says, I got this letter from you guys, and every 3 months I get this report, but I don't know what this 5% discount is. And the insurance company, my mother's been in the nursing home for about 9 months, and the nursing home is not giving us any 5% discount. So then we'll pick up the phone, call the nursing home, and then remind them. We send them a letter in December because we send letters every December to remind the nursing homes of the 5% discount. And if they have to, if there's a mistake made, they got to give a check for the 9 months past that they didn't give a discount. So over 1 year it could be 6